Hi, Past Data community. I'm Andy Levy, and like a lot of you, I'm a database administrator. The Past Summit and now Past Data Community Summit has been a highlight of my year for a long time. This year, it's all happening online, and I have the privilege of presenting my session Backup Basics with PowerShell and dbatools. As a DBA, one of my most important jobs, and probably yours as well, is to make sure that the company's data is backed up properly. But it's not enough to just back up the databases. We have to be able to restore those databases, and we have to know that they're usable and not corrupted. Because a major system outage is not the time you want to tell your CEO that you can't restore a backup. Or you can restore a backup, but it's not going to be usable. In my session, Backup Basics with PowerShell and dbatools, you'll learn how to back up and restore databases, schedule those backups, test that your backups are free of corruption, produce reports documenting the work you've done, and do all of this without clicking through Management Studio. Even better, you'll walk away with PowerShell code samples leveraging the dbatools module to do all of this. No matter your experience with PowerShell or SQL Server administration, I think you'll pick up something that'll help make handling all of this a lot easier and more robust, no matter how many databases, no matter how many servers you manage. I'm looking forward to you joining me November 8th through the 12th at the Past Data Community Summit. Register today.